So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Tatiana. If you're new here, if you're not, welcome. So today's video is going to be a Cannabox unboxing. So here I have the Cannabox box. Yes. Okay, let's see. The bottom says, please recycle me. Your new gear is here. The goods have arrived, and a C on this side. So nothing here that says Cannabox. It just has a C. And then the label does just say, excuse my nails, but shipping manager. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up. All right, and so it says your Cannabox has been waiting for you. This is what it looks like. So Cannabox is a monthly subscription box. It is a cannabis subscription box, duh. But how much is it? I don't know. I don't remember. So if I do remember, I'm gonna put it in the description box. But yeah, I don't remember how much it is off the top of my head. But it does come with a t-shirt, a glass piece, and some other items. So the first thing we hear is the t-shirt, and I'm gonna pull that out because I do like it because it's yellow so far. So this month's box is Save the Bees, I think is the theme. So we have a yellow shirt, and I got mine in a extra large because they're men's sizes. So here it is. This is what this month's shirt looked like. It is, don't worry, be happy, and B is spelled like a B, and it has a little B for the nose. That's cute. I like it. And then on the back it says Cannabox because it is a Cannabox subscription. I got my shirts big because I kind of want to crop it or cut it up like I did this one. So I'm probably going to end up cropping this one because I like the yellow. So there's that. So then we have a pack of, my mouth is dry, raw unrefined rolling papers, and this looks like these are longer than the ones that I normally get in the subscription box. So those are pretty nice. Maybe they're a king size, but you know, raw don't really have any information. Oh, king size slim. So yeah, they're king size slim. So that's the tester piece. And then, so yeah, they're pretty long. All right, so then the next thing here is, you know, this is the second raw lighter I got this month. That's crazy. But this looks to be a clipper lighter as well. So it is a raw clipper lighter. It seems kind of small. Whoa. So it's a really big flame for such a small lighter. You know, this one, whoa. This one doesn't seem to be one of the reflintable ones because I can't pull it out, or I could just be struggling and I'm just making a fool of myself. But it is refillable, so you can see at the bottom. But it's, like I said, it's a big flame, really tiny. So I like that one. All right, and then the next thing we have here are some honey swabs. So it says, keep your quartz brand new. They're double-sided, so they have like one side that looks like this, one side that looks like that, and it's a 100 count. So obviously I'm assuming these, they don't smell like honey. But anyways, I'm assuming these are to clean your pipes and your coils if you do the, what you call, there is a Cannabox sticker here, just a yellow sticker. Okay, and then there's another sticker that says, save the bees and smoke more weed. This is super cute. I like that. And then we have here, it is a 2 per tube. Oh, wait, never mind. It's some cyclones cones, and they are in the flavor honey. Again, very on theme for this month of saving the bees. I don't know, I can't talk today, sorry. But anyways, so here's a little card, and it doesn't really give you any details on the box. It's just saying scan here for more details on this month's Cannabox, or navigate to cannabox.com/May-20. And then it has take a happy pic, post it to your fave social media network, and tag Cannabox. So, all right. And so now finally the glass piece, because that was all the items so far. We had the king size slim raw papers, the honey swabs 100 count, the honey cone cyclone cones. Ooh, that is a tongue twister. 2-pack. And then we had the clipper lighter. Oh, and the t-shirt. Duh. All right. Okay, so here's the glass piece. It is wrapped up really nicely in some paper. It kind of looks like a sandwich or something. Oh, there we go. Oh, I almost dropped it. That would have been dangerous. This is too cute. I like it so much. Okay, so inside we had another small piece, and it looks like a very tiny bowl. Yes. It is a tiny bowl. It got some little yellow pieces on the side. The hole isn't too bad. Don't know if you can see it. At least I don't think it's too bad. It might be too bad. And then this is what the glass piece looks like. It is very lightweight, very small, and it is a water pipe. So you can see, I don't know if you can see the percolator inside there, with the 2 holes, and this is what it would look like. I don't know why I don't know. But this is it. This is super cute. So it's very on theme. It's like the little honeycomb with the yellow bowl or things on the bowl. So yes. I'm gonna use this at some point, at some time, but not right now. So I will see you guys in the next video. Yeah. Oh, I didn't get June's box because I'm just me. So I wanted to see what this box was like first before I like dove in to get the next one. So if it's not too late, I might unskip June, but as of right now, it is skip. I think it is too late. So we're just gonna skip June, and then we'll be back when I have July. So I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.